Who is Rachel Carson, the scientist? Rachel Carson was an American scientist born in Springdale, Pennsylvania in 1907. Upon graduating university in 1929 with a passion for marine biology and zoology, Rachel began her work as a writer, her focus being on conservation and natural resource issues, working for the US Bureau of Fisheries as a radio script writer. She also wrote informative pamphlets and a number of scientific articles. As one of the very few women scientists at the time of her career, she was very successful in terms of being influential to the opinion of the public, being a great teacher on the importance of appreciation and protection for our natural environment. This was confirmed after she published many books, mainly focusing on marine biology and the impacts of human actions on the natural environment, most of which are damaging and irreversible. Perhaps the most important book that Rachel Carson wrote during her career was Silent Spring in 1952. It focused on addressing farmers and governments and their use of pesticides. The Oxford Dictionary defines a pesticide as a substance used for destroying insects or other organisms harmful to cultivating plants or to animals. DDT became commonly used in 1939 and during the Second World War as a pesticide used to rid South Pacific islands of diseases such as malaria, typhus, body lice and bubonic plague, in an effort to protect US troops from these illnesses. The success of DDT during the war led to many farmers deciding to use the pesticide to protect their crops from insects and disease-ridden pests that potentially harm the growth of their crops and in turn waste a large amount of the farmer's time and money. DDT is an extremely strong substance that is capable of killing hundreds and hundreds of species with one spray, making the chemical very popular. Rachel Carson's book, Silent Spring, highlighted facts about DDT for the general public and US government. She explained that once exposed to DDT, either through direct contact or through contaminated food, the chemical entered the fatty tissue of the human or animal and eventually led to them being more likely to develop cancer or long-term genetic problems. These letters and facts in Silent Spring eventually convinced the US government to keep a close eye on farming practices and limit the use of DDT as a pesticide, eventually leading to the total ban of DDT in the US in 1972.